Sigma Monitor, a fast, easy, secure and affordable portal for all your systems. Sigma Monitor is a cloud-based software that allows you to remotely monitor your industrial devices. Developed from NewDep's years of experience in service engineering, Sigma guarantees a complete overview of the operating status of all your machinery through a single platform with an intelligent reporting and notification system. Thanks to its cutting-edge technologies, Sigma is an indispensable portal for optimizing performance, improving the level of reliability and security, and reducing maintenance costs. Sigma is fast. Once you have connected the router to your system, all it takes are a few clicks to get started. Log into the app on any device using your login details. A navigation menu allows you to explore each section on the portal, consult your machinery list, customize the dashboard according to your needs, making your user experience easier. Sigma is simple. You can choose how to set the communication parameters with the equipment you wish to monitor. You can manage the access and task level of other users, access alarms, send remote commands with a simple click, automate activities, receive immediate systems data, consult historical data thanks to simple graphs and tables, and receive real-time notifications for any anomalies directly to your smartphone. Sigma Monitor provides a clear and intuitive overview of the status of all your systems, a fundamental interface for analyzing the alarms of any given period and easily intercepting frequent irregularities, optimizing and reducing the potential cost due to machinery problems. Let's take a closer look at the dashboard. Running along the top, 6 colored boxes show the number of active alarms, warnings, devices in error, online devices, online routers, and communication errors. By clicking on each box, you can access the detailed lists of the respective events or associated states. Sigma is secure. Reliability is paramount. This is why our priority is the protection of your devices by encrypting stored data, providing constant backups, and using highly professional and certified suppliers for the best cloud hosting solutions. Sigma is affordable. You won't need any additional hardware and software. You won't have to budget any additional server maintenance costs. Everything is included in the subscription fee. You can implement other features based on your needs and always rely on competent and flexible client assistance. The advantages of Sigma Monitor are many, with amazing results and stunning performance as demonstrated in the enthusiasm and satisfaction of our clients. Learn more about Sigma Monitor. Write to info@newdep.com.